As of 7 p.m. on September 6th, Typhoon Yagi was located approximately 360 kilometers from Quang with maximum sustained winds of level 15, 167 to 183 km/h, gusting at level 17. After passing over Hainan Island, the typhoon has weakened by 1 level. In the latest update on Typhoon number 3, the National Center for Hydrometeorological Forecasting reported that at 7 p.m. on September 6th, the storm's center was located at approximately 20.1 degrees latitude and 110.0 dege longitude, about 360 kilometers from Quang Ninh. The strongest winds were measured at level 15, 167 to 183 km/h, with gusts reaching level 17. In the next 3 hours, the typhoon is expected to move west-northwest at a speed of about 15 to 20 km/h. Thus, after making landfall on Hainan Island, China, Typhoon Yagi has weakened by 1 level. 24-hour forecast. Typhoon number 3 is expected to move west-northwest at about 15 km/h. Early in the morning on September 7th, it will enter the Gulf of Tonkin with a strength of level 14, gusting up to level 17. On September 7th, Typhoon Yagi is likely to make landfall in the northern provinces of Vietnam. By 4 p.m. on September 7th, the typhoon's center is forecasted to be along the coast from Quang Ninh to Nam Dinh, with a strength of level 10 to 11, gusting to level 14. After that, it will move further inland into northern Vietnam and gradually weaken. Marine impact. Due to the typhoon, the northern part of the East Sea, South China Sea, will experience strong winds of level 11 to 14, near the typhoon's center up to level 15 to 16, with gusts exceeding level 17, causing rough seas. On the night of September 6th, winds in the Gulf of Tonkin, including Bok Long Vi and Kotu Islands, will increase to level 8 to 9 and later intensify to level 10 to 12. Near the typhoon's center, winds will reach levels 13 to 14, with gusts up to level 17, causing extremely rough seas. Land impact. From the night of September 6th and early morning on September 7th, coastal areas from Quang Ninh to Thanh Hoa will experience increasing winds from level 6 to 7, rising to level 8 and 9. Provinces and cities near the storm's center, such as Quang Ninh, Haiphong, Tai Binh, and the northern part of Nam Dinh, will face winds of level 10 to 12, gusting up to level 14. In the inland areas of northern Vietnam, especially the eastern part, winds will reach levels 6 to 8, with gusts up to levels 9 to 11. The strongest winds are expected between noon and the evening of September 7th. Storm surge. Coastal areas from Thanh Hoa to Quang Ninh should be on alert for storm surges of 0.5 m or Thanh Hoa to 1.8 m Quang Ninh on the afternoon and night of September 7th, with retreating waters of 0.5 am Thanh Hoa to 1 m Quang Ninh on the morning of September 7th. Harbors, aquaculture areas, and coastal dikes in the aforementioned danger zones are likely to be affected by strong winds, large waves, and storm surges. Heavy rainfall. From the night of September 6th to the morning of September 9th, northern Vietnam and Thanh Hoa province may experience heavy rains, with local areas receiving very heavy downpours accompanied by thunderstorms. The total rainfall is expected to range from 100 to 300 mm, with some areas receiving over 500 mm. The heaviest rain will be concentrated in northeastern Vietnam on September 7th and in the northwestern region from the evening of September 7th to the night of September 8th. Heavy rainfall may cause flooding in low-lying areas and flash floods on small rivers and streams, along with landslides on steep slopes. The Meteorological Agency has issued a disaster risk warning level 4 for the northern part of the East Sea and the eastern part of the northern Gulf of Tonkin, and a level 3 risk for the western part of the northern Gulf of Tonkin and the southern Gulf of Tonkin.